Hi, so let's say we have this course physics and we have some units under it on Newton's law of motion, work, energy, power, kinetic and potential energy, and forces. And I don't have any lessons within these units, so I want to create some. So I can do that in two ways. First, I can click on add lesson button. It will open up a text box where I can just enter the title, for example, Newton's first law, and click on add, and it will add the lesson here. If I want a more convenient way, I can click on generate lesson using AI, and then I can select the number of new lessons I want within this unit. Let's say I want 4 more lessons, and optionally I can put in my instructions, for example, focus on that, or anything else. Or I can just click on generate and it will generate 4 more lessons for me. For example, uh, applications of Newton's law, third law, Newton's law in sports, and second law. You can see that it didn't produce anything on the first law because it's already there. So what it does is it considers the context of the unit, all other lessons already available, and then context of the course, grade level, language, and course descriptions, and it produces the lessons accordingly.